And so this is the weekly chart. So we can see if you look at Ethereum basically, and this is the weekly chart too, and that was also in a rising wedge, you know, same as
Falling
Bitcoin.
volume too, yeah.
Exactly. And that dropped too. It lost its wedge. And now we can see like uh, the band, the strength band turning red. So once
Yeah.
again, this is our indicator. It's a custom indicator called the Maxi Trading Buddy. You can see how it basically calls the tops and bottoms. Bull and green means it's an uptrend, and red and bear just means it's going to be in a downtrend, basically.
Yeah. So now that we have the red band, once we get that bear signal printed on the by the indicator, once a candle on this chart closes with the bear signal stuck above it, that should be taken pretty seriously, considering that the strength band is red and the bear signal is in. So both of those things line up, and then that's a signal that we would act on.
Exactly. As we can see here, you can see how like, you know, you got a bear and then prices kept dropping and dropping, and then you got a bull and then it keeps rising.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
these are some of the supports that I marked out, potential areas that uh, we can, you know, that we're guessing that it might sort of hold
Find
and
more
form a
support.
bottom.
Exactly. So it'll probably like sink down to those levels, and I'd say depending on how fast it sells off, it'll
Yeah.
get like the faster it goes, the more likely it'll get to the lower support level. The slower of a grind it is, the more likely we don't push all the way to the lower one, and maybe we start to find support at the higher one there.
Yeah, exactly. And uh, also the monthly close, and we can see that the pennant, basically the rising wedge, uh, the candle closed below the rising wedge on the monthly too. So the same supports uh, also are monthly support. So that's weekly, and it's the same lines on the monthly too.